Hello guys, this is my video about how to use Claude Code for super cheap. It's not for free, because if you want to know how to run it for free, you can click on this video, which I made lately. But now I will show you that I'm using this Claude Code absolutely for free. So if I'll type this model, then you will see that I have this custom model over here, which is NVIDIA Nano free. And if I'll go to the OpenRouter website, you will see that this provider is NVIDIA, and this model is for free. But you have to be careful, because all prompts and outputs logged to improve the provider's model, so don't send any confidential or sensitive data there. But before this is my fallback model. If my main model is not working, then I'm using this kind of workflow to just support my main workflow. But if you want to use it for cheap, you can go to my school community, and and here I would also provide you with the special discount codes over here, so you can get it absolutely for cheap. I wouldn't say for free. And the free my community is free. You can join my community, but my coding plan is over here. You can just click on this link and you're gonna get to this website. And as you can see, it's a light plan over here. You pay only $27 per quarter. It's about, if you divide it on 3 months, like a quarter, so you are paying around, let's say, 27 divided by 3. You will get it for 9 euros a month, and it's much cheaper than the Claude Code subscription. But with that, you have this 3x usage as a Claude Code plan, and you can also use a lot of different other agents like OpenClaw or Cursor or Killer Code or whatever you want. If you want to spend more money and then get, let's say, 5x than the light plan usage, which is 3 multiplied on 5 is 15 times more than Claude Code plan, which is about $20 a month, and you have these limits over here with the pricing. Where's the pricing? I don't see it, but anyway. So anyway, it's going to be cheaper and faster, and the efficiency of this model is similar to Claude Opus over here. It's about the same as Claude Opus. So without further ado, let's install this thing. So the first thing you have to do, you have to go out from your Claude, because it's easier to run. And here you can purchase this plan here. And then if you want, you can go to Claude Code over here and type just the comment, just one comment. You have to install this Claude Code if you haven't done this yet. And you have to get your API key for the coding plan. And then you have to run only this comment, npx coding help. So let's copy it, let's paste it here, and then let's see what it's gonna offer us. Okay, so we have to pick the interface language, because it's a Chinese model. You have to pick interface language between English and Chinese. So if you know Chinese, that's also fine. So I'm choosing this coding plan over here and choosing the global server, which they are using. And I can update the API key if I want to, but I have it already, so I don't have to update it. But for the purpose of the video, I will do that now. You just click enter. The key would be validated, and then you can pick your coding agent. I'm choosing this Claude Code if I want to, so I will pick the Claude Code, and I just have to refresh the configuration. So if I'll gonna do that, I'm gonna have this freshly made configuration for the Claude Code, and then I can start it from here or use this dangerously skip permission for the purpose of using that. But here I'm gonna say, hey, if I'll type this like model, it's gonna say, all right, but I can pick any model I want to, but it's gonna be using still the Chinese version of it. You see, it's written here GLM 4.7. It's because I'm on the light plan, and here, as you can see, the light plan is not giving you this access to this GLM. Where's that? GLM 5 yet, but it's gonna be accessible at the end of March this year, and everybody who was using this plan would be using this GLM 5. And just to show you how much money I saved, I will go to my API window, and I will just go to this rate limits or billing. Yep. And here you see I'm not using the API keys. I'm using the coding plan and the subscription. And just to prove you that I've saved so much money, so I used last 7 days. All right, I think it's last 7 days. I used 361 million tokens. All right. So if I'll go, for example, to the open router and type here like Opus 4.6, you see that 1 million tokens costed around 25 bucks. So you pay around $2 for input and 25 bucks for output. So if I'll just take my amount of tokens, what I've used, and I will multiply it, or where's that? So 25, let's say, I will use the extension. All right. So I will just paste it here. Then I would divide it on 1 million and then multiply it 25. Then I have to delete all those tiny but it's not working because it should be like should be calculated. All right. Okay, I'm just so I've spent for last 7 days. I spent about $9,000 on this plan, but I'm paying only right now it's $9 a month for this plan, and I'm so excited that I've saved so much money using this plan. So if you want to, you can just grab this code over here at my free community and just use it absolutely for free. Peace.